I blank at a sports shop. It's my permanent job. Work, I'm working, have worked, have been working. Pay attention dito sa permanent job. Kapag ang konteksto natin ay isang permanent situation, in this case, a permanent job, ang gagamitin natin ay simple present. Base verb for plural nouns and pronouns I, you, we, they, and verb plus es or s kapag singular nouns and pronouns he, she, it. Since meron tayong I dito as a subject, itong formula na to yung gagamitin natin, which is base verb lang. Alin ba dito ang base verb lang? Letter A, work. So, ang sentence natin, I work at a sports shop. It's my permanent job. Now, alam ko may mga tumitingin sa letter B, which is I'm working, kasi pwede rin siya, di ba? I'm working at a sports shop. Pero kung wala sana itong konteksto ng permanence, pwede siya. Kung halimbawa meron tayong konteksto na temporary lang siya, halimbawa, I am working at a sports shop right now, pero next year mag-abroad ako. So, temporary lang, kaya gumamit tayo ng present progressive.